Hey everyone, welcome to the Coding Wala. How's the fire to get the job? We have new opportunity for freshers in these startups. Let's uncover that without wasting your time. First, we have from Buildersoft. The role is Network Program Analyst. And here is the roles and responsibility that you handle in day-to-day life. First, analyze and monitoring network program. With that, you providing the network support and resolving connectivity issues. And you also configure hardware and software to optimize network communications. And you are learning some LAN and WAN network as well as voice over IP and UTC devices in that, and managing IP address and resolving conflicts. And in additional information, job location is Haryana, Hyderabad, Pune, the three locations that you will located in the job. And experience, no prior experience required. Minimum salary is 5.30 LPA and maximum 7.90, approximate 8 LPA. And you also get the benefit like medical insurance and transport, food. Are you interested in that? If yes, then just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next, we have from Unanu Enterprises AI Search. The role is big data engineer. Here is it. And here is the responsibilities and role which you handle in day-to-day life. Design, develop and maintain big data pipelines for ingesting, processing and analyze large data sets. You also work with various big data technology include Kafka and AWS. You also optimize data pipeline for performance, stability and reliability. And you will get the opportunities to collaborate with data scientists and engineers to develop and implement data drive solutions. And you build and maintain data models and monitoring and troubleshoot data pipelines. Stay up to date with large big data technologies. Here are the requirements: bachelor or master in the computer science, engineering or related fields. And you also strong proficiency in Kafka and AWS. You have to experience with data modeling, machine learning and artificial intelligence, and excellent problem solving skills and analytical skills. It stands for data structure and algorithm. And you have to strong communication and collaborate abilities. Here are the benefits you can read. And in the additional information, here are the location pan India and no prior experience required. Salary is not disclosed. So if you are interested in that, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next, we have from Siemens Associate Test Engineer. The location will be Noida. And here are the responsibility of the candidate: strong inclination towards product quality and work with different teams stakeholders. You have to investigate defects from the roots, execute test cases and track defect like that. And in the requirements, bachelor in computer science or related fields and 0 to 2 year of experience, data structure and algorithms, and strong communication skills. In the additional information, you can read. If you are interested in that, you get the link in the description box. Just go and apply. So that's all for today. Bye bye. Best of luck.